welcome to HXGN TV, coming to you from Hannover Messe in Germany. 5 days, 5,000 exhibitors and more than 220,000 people visiting from 75 countries. Hannover Messe is the world's leading trade show for industrial technology. And we're here at the Hexagon Manufacturing Intelligence stand, where visitors are being invited to rethink quality. So let's take a look around. This year at Hannover, Hexagon is asking manufacturers to rethink quality in design and engineering, production and metrology. The demonstrations follow the manufacturing process of a bicomponent for simulation, machining and measurement, and show the benefits of managing quality throughout the product lifecycle. Visitors can also see the quality data and measurement resource management software HXGN Smart Quality at work and experience the power of connected data for manufacturers of all sizes. This connectivity is shown in action with an integrated inspection cell, demonstrating a feedback loop between a coordinate measuring machine and the machine tool making the part. And there's a whole host of other manufacturing intelligence technology to see and test out. What can you tell me about the technology you're demonstrating?
I'm demonstrating Work and See. Work and See is a CAM software for 2 to 5 axis CNC programming.
I'm demonstrating EdgeCam, and EdgeCam is a CAM software for simple parts, machining parts or bike parts.
I show you today our Roma measuring system. It's a portable system where you can use in the whole company.
We're demonstrating a typical manufacturing process where we machine parts on a machine tool, inspect certain things already, and then automatically move it to a CMM for the final inspection.
So at Hexagon Manufacturing Intelligence, we're challenging people to rethink quality. We want our customers to think about quality throughout the product lifecycle, starting with design and engineering, through production, and for sure into the metrology department as well. Quality thinking needs to stretch throughout the supply chain and even out into the service life of the product.
For me, it is important that people understand that we see that quality is seamless. It's being part of the whole product life cycle. And that is, I think, the main message we want to get over here at Hannover Trade Show.
Today, we've learned how digital manufacturing processes can give quality an upgrade. So, is it time that you rethink quality? I'm Anja Lange with HXGN TV at Hannover Messe 2018. For more episodes, tune in to hxgntv.com.